How to delete your Temu account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're looking for a way to get rid of your Temu account permanently since you don't want to use it anymore, here's how you do it. Just follow the steps. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference and type in temu.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're logged into your correct account you want to delete. And once you're inside the home page after logging in, mouse over to your name at the top right or mouse over to Orders and Account, and then from the expanded menu, click on Your Profile. From this page, go to the left-hand side and click on Account Security. Now from the Account Security page, scroll all the way down and you'll see Delete Your Temu Account option. Tap on it or click on it. Go through the information first. Temu will delete the data and content in your account if you proceed to delete your account. It will also delete any communication records, files and images, as well as any unused coupons and credits. It will no longer be usable after you delete the account. So make sure you're making a wise choice over here. After you are sure you want to delete, click on this I want to permanently delete my Temu account circle at the bottom and click Continue. Select any one region why you are trying to get rid of your account and click Continue. Now, the next thing to do is to verify your identity. Select any one way you want to verify your identity with, which can be the email verification or the password verification option. I'm just gonna click on the Use Password option over here, and now I'm gonna have to type in the password for my account. After typing down the password, click Submit. You've successfully requested your account deletion. Your account will be automatically signed out now and it will be deleted in 7 business days. If you wish to cancel the request, you may sign in with the same credentials and your account deletion will be cancelled. So you have 7 business days you can get back to your account if you change your mind, and that's how you easily delete your Temu account permanently. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.